Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Easy Learning. Today we are going to look at HCF, highest common factors. In our previous lesson, we talked about common factors and factors of a number. So we are going to look at the highest common factors today. What do I mean by highest common factors? Highest common factor is the greatest number which divides two or more numbers without a remainder. So we're going to look at two different methods. The first method is by listing all the factors, and the second method is by division method. So let us list the factors of 44 and also the factors of 60. Factors of 44, 1 times 44 gives you the number 44. Remember I told you start with 1 and the number itself. So 1 times 44 gives you the number 44. 2 times 22 gives you the number 44. 4 times 11 gives you the number 44. So these are the factors of 44. Factors of 44 are 1, 2, 4, 11, 22, and 44. So we're going to list all the factors of 60. One times 60 gives you the number 60. 2 times 30 gives you the number 60. 3 times 20 gives you the number 60. 4 times 15. 4 times 15 gives you the number 60. And 5 times 12 gives you the number 60. These are the factors of 60. Okay? And 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. So we're going to bring out the common factors before we can now bring out the highest common factors. What are their common factors? One is their common factor. We have 2 here. We have 2 here. We have 4 here. We have 4 here. So their common factors are 1, 2, and 4. These are their common factors. Then we're going to look at the highest common factor. The highest common factor is the greatest number. That is the highest number. And then the highest common factor is equals to, the highest number here is what? 4. So 4 is the highest common factors. Okay, we're going to look at the division method. Right? So in division method, we make our line like this. We write our 44. 2 into 44 will give you what? 22. 2 into 22 will give you what? 11. And 11 into 11 will give you what? 1. Then 60. What is going to divide 60? We have 2 into 60 will give you what? 30. 2 into 30 give you 15. 3 into 15 will give you 5. And 5 into 5 will give you what? 1. So let us list these numbers we have here. 44, we have 2 times 2 times 11. Then 60, we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. These are the numbers we have. So what are their common factors? We have 2 here. We have 2 here. So the HCF, the highest common factor, we have 2. We have 2 times. We have 2 here. We have 2 here. Times 2. So the highest common factors is equals to 2 times 2 will give you what? 4. This is by division method, and this is by listing all the factors of the numbers. I believe you understood my lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and follow me on my Facebook page for more interesting lessons. See you on my next video. Thank you and God bless. Bye.